Did you know 3 men pulled off the only successful escape from America's most secure prison and vanished without a trace? On June 11, 1962, Frank Morris and brothers John and Clarence Anglin disappeared from Alcatraz. For an entire year, they had been digging through their cell walls using stolen spoons. They crafted realistic dummy heads from soap and human hair to fool the guards. Their plan was brilliant. Crawl through ventilation shafts to reach the roof, then use raincoats they had sewn together into makeshift life rafts. They studied tide charts and memorized every guard rotation. The decoy heads worked perfectly, buying them hours before discovery. At morning count, guards found empty cells and triggered a massive manhunt. The FBI, Coast Guard, and local police searched everywhere, but their bodies were never found. Decades later, the question still haunts investigators. Did they survive the frigid waters of San Francisco Bay? Or did the ocean claim them? The mystery remains unsolved.